Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Pinterest. So actually guys, to connect them you will need to add your Etsy shop link to Pinterest. So you can just copy your shop's link from here. So just go ahead and click on the profile icon, profile picture, and then you will find your shop option just right here if you're a seller on Etsy, and then just copy the link and paste it and the website's filled on Pinterest, then save changes. And this allows Pinterest users to visit your Etsy shop directly. Also, you can integrate them or connect them by going with Zapier, right? So you will need to go with create option right here after creating an account or sign or log in with your account, of course. Create, then just go with Zaps option. It's the first option right there on that menu, and after that you will need to choose if you want to use the AI or just go manually. So if you want to use the AI, you can just go with, can you please set the Etsy as a trigger and Pinterest as the action. Okay, also you can use the manual method, so you can go with trigger right here and then just look for Etsy. And to select Etsy you will need as first to have the premium plan of Zapier, alright, and then you will need to use the trigger and sign in with your Etsy account, and then just go with action right here, look for Pinterest. Okay, choose it, and yeah, you will need the premium plan as well. And then just choose action events, create pin or API request for the beta, and then just go with your account. So click on sign in and sign in with that specific account that you want to connect to Etsy. So actually guys, then go with test run and publish. So everyone, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.